Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to open VS Code in the current folder on command line. So first of all, simply open the command line by typing cmd and then pressing enter. This will open your command line, and then you simply need to type here cod, and then you simply press space and then you put this dot symbol. That's all that we need to write, and then again you press enter key. This will open the VS Code directly inside your current working directory. It's very simple. You go to a folder, simply cmd, first of all open command line, and then just type a code space dash, and after that simply press the enter key, and this will open Visual Studio Code in the current directory. So this is a shortcut or a trick that you can use to open command line, open VS Code directly inside that folder on command line. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.